Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce a new lashes box. This is it. Now we have a three color: pink, golden, and you can call it purple or deep blue. Okay, so let's see. This is all this the front side with some gold picture. It's pretty cool, kind of rock and roll style. It's cartoon, but it's very impressive. And there's the eyes with lashes. It's with yeah, and the gold picture. Now we have two pattern only. One is with the crown. See, this is the crown is different, and the eye shapes are also different. And this one is not with the crown, but it's with very cute hair, very cute. And inside it has the shining container. With this strip, it's very easy to pull out the tree. This is our 25 mm 3D mink lashes. And here you can put your slogan or your brand name here, and you can also write your contact information here, like your website, Instagram, and YouTube. This is a golden color, very bright color, very luxury. It looks very luxury. All these pieces are very good finishing. See. And it's magnet. See. Very good finishing. Luxury. This color is my favorite, and I like this this gold. It's kind of deep blue, but it's you can also call it like a purple. Very mysterious color and shiny. Looks high-end. This one is a smaller size. Smaller size, and this bigger size is okay for 25 or 28 mm lashes. Now we have this three color. If you have more ideas about the coloring and about the picture, you can just tell us. We can customize for you. And here you can put your brand name. Yeah, so this is the boxes. If you want to see more packages for lashes, now this is just part of our collection. The diamond box, square one, round ones, or all kinds of cases. And we can all customize the logos and brands for you. So if you are interested, please contact me. The information is below. You can follow me on Instagram or contact me by WhatsApp. Bye.